Hi, hello viewers, welcome to my channel Chai with Varu. In this video, I like to share with you how to make a very healthy and tasty breakfast or brunch, green moong dal dosa along with peanut chutney. For this first, we have to soak the green moong dal overnight, and then after soaking overnight or for 8 hours, we have to drain off the soaked water, rinse it couple of times and then blend it along with some spices. So I'm going to be blending this with a small piece of ginger and a chili. You can use more than one chili. Some cumin seeds, around half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, salt to taste, and half a cup of rice flour and some water as required for the batter, and blend it finely. Now the batter is ready. This is the perfect consistency of the batter. Along with this, I'm making a peanut tomato chutney, and for this I'm using peanuts, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, tamarind, dry red chilies, jaggery, a pinch of fenugreek seeds, salt to taste and water. Saute all the ingredients on medium flame and simmer it between 7 to 8 minutes and add water as required for the chutney and blend it finely. Now time to make the dosas. So I'm using a pre-seasoned cast iron tawa or griddle. So on this heated griddle, I'm going to be pouring in a ladle full of the dosa, green moong dosa batter. I'm going to be adding a little more ladle full of the batter and then spread it evenly like this, and add a little bit of oil all over the dosa batter and cook it on both the sides until golden brown. As you can see, perfect, tasty, golden brown green moong dal dosa ready to serve. Serve it with a choice of your chutney or dip. I am eating it with peanut tomato chutney. Do try this peanut tomato chutney along with green moong dal dosa recipes and let me know how you liked it. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also, don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.